In this video, we're going to be converting decimal 126,456 to a hexadecimal. Now, this is very similar to what we've done in a previous video, linked in the playlist below the like button, where we converted the decimal to an octal. We're going to do the same process. However, with hex, the base is 16, whereas with oct, it is 8. So there is a slight difference here. We're again going to take our number 123,456. Previously we divided by 8, but that was because the base was 8. Now the base here is 16. So we're going to divide this by 16, and this is going to give us 7716. We don't have any decimal here, so we're going to have 7716 with a remainder of 0. We're then going to take this value here. It's going to be 7716, and we're dividing this by 16. This will give us a decimal value. It's going to be 482.25. And so we can write our number 482 here, and now we need to solve for the remainder. Well, we're going to take this 16, and we're going to multiply it by 0.25. And then we're going to bring it over here. The remainder for this is going to be 4. We're then going to take 482, we will divide it by 16, and this is going to give us 30.125. So we can write 30 here, and then we're going to multiply this 16 by the 0.125. And in doing this, we are going to get the remainder of 2. We're then going to take our 30, divide it by 16, and this is giving us 1.875. And so our value is 1. We are then going to take the 16, multiply it by this 0.875, and in doing so, we're going to get the remainder of 14. Now, we are going to take the 1 and divide it by 16. This will give us 0.625. We're going to take the 16 and multiply it by the 0.625. This should be in red. And then, if we do that, we are going to get 0 with a remainder of 1. And just as previously, we're going to be reading from bottom to top. However, you see this 14 right here? Well, we don't have a number to represent 14 in hexadecimal. We have a letter instead. We go from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and lastly 15 in hexadecimal. The numbers 0 through 9 are represented as numbers, and then 10 is an A, the 11 is a B, the 12 is a C, 13 is a D, 14 is E, and 15 is F. So when we write this, we can see that 14 is E here, and since 14 is E, as we write this up, our 1 will be a 1, our 14 is an E, our 2 is a 2, our 4 is a 4, and lastly we have a 0. So this is the hexadecimal conversion from the decimal 123,456.